So what I'm going to be showing you is how to render an image. Um, so basically I just want this girl here and I don't want any of this background. So what you do is you zoom in, you select the pen tool, which is this one. Make sure you've got it set to these settings here, paths and pen tool, and then you want to start going around just clicking close to her, and the closer you get the dots the better it'll turn out. But I've already gone ahead and prepared one, so it made the video a bit shorter, and so I've gone all the way around with the dots. And what you want to do when you get to the end, you want to join your first and last dot together by clicking on the first one, and that'll create a path. And then you go layer, vector mask, current path, and that gets rid of all the background. And you layer rasterize, vector mask, and that'll clean up the edges a little bit. Mine's rough because it was rushed, but if you take a little bit of time and be patient, it'll turn out good. But that's basically how you do it. It's how I do it. Thanks for watching.